I'm gonna confirm the building. My guy. What up? The work is. Huh? No, not gas. Gas man.
I could never say we could go back and be how we used to. But every time I think back to late summer in July, I still miss you. And now our families don't even say a word. I used to come over every Friday after.
I'm gonna confirm the building. My guy. What up? The work is. Huh? No, not gas. Gas man. Is this one the last one? Give on. Let's see, I'm sure. Let's see.